I choose you, not the version I invented in my head, not the you I hoped you'd become, but you, right now, the distracted, emotionally clumsy, deeply human you. And I choose me too, the one who forgets to be soft, who hides under silence instead of asking for what I need, who sometimes makes it all harder than it has to be. This isn't a declaration of perfection. It's a declaration of presence, of willingness, of staying, not out of fear, but because something in me still believes in us. You don't owe me a transformation, and I will worth for scraps of affection. What I will do is meet you halfway, with truth, with boundaries, with my whole damn heart. I want to talk like we used to, not surface level banter, but soul deep communion, the kind that just a little sore because it mattered that much. I want to laugh so hard we forget what we were arguing about. I want to say I'm sorry without keeping score, and I want to hear it, too. I want to be safe enough to be wild again, to dance in the kitchen, to make you playlists, to touch your shoulder like it's still electric. I want to look at you and remember why we even bothered with all of this. Because it mattered. Because you matter. I choose to work through the hard conversations, the ones that twist your stomach and make your voice tremble. I choose to stay curious instead of defensive, to pause before reacting, to listen more than I fix. Because love, real love, isn't a prize you win or a feeling you chase. It's a practice, a verb, a daily act of saying, here I am, still, willing, choosing. And I don't know how this ends. But today, in this moment, I choose you again and again and again.